In this video, we are going to explain how to get Google Flow credits. Now, once you are in the Google Flow page, right, website, and you're signed into your account, you want to look at the upper right corner of your screen. This is going to be your profile, profile icon for your account. So clicking this will give you a pop-up like so. Once you are here, as you can see here, it says 150 AI credits, which means you get 150 AI credits for free daily. It does not stack, it resets, right? But if you want to add more credits and you have the money for it, you need to click on upgrade like so. It's going to open a new tab, and here you're going to see the planning, the price planning for each Google Flow like option subscription, right? So pay AI Plus, AI Pro, and AI Ultra, that is monthly. Annual, you save 70%, so it is much cheaper. Ultra, you need it's just available only with monthly billing. There you go. So that is practically how you get Google Flow credits. Aside from, there's no free stuff, by the way. If somebody says, if another video says, oh, you can click on this link if you want free, those are scams. You don't want to get, malware on your device. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.